Learning and creativity skills. Modern research into cognition, the science of thinking, has shattered the age-old belief of the teaching that mastering the content must precede its good application. As this belief is on the way to disappear, applying skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and innovation in content knowledge increase motivation and improve learning outcomes. Critical thinking and problem solving skills required students to be able to effectively elicit different types of deduction, induction, and inference to suit the educational situation. Use of holistic thinking. They analyze how parts of a whole interact with each other to produce final outputs in complex systems. Make judgments and decisions. Analysis and evaluation of the effectiveness of evidence, volume, allegations, and beliefs. Analysis and evaluation of alternatives to the main viewpoints. The combination and association of information and volume. Interpret the information and build their conclusions on the best analysis. Critically reflect on their learning experiences and processes. Problem solving. Solve different types of unfamiliar problems in traditional and innovative ways. Identify and ask essential questions that clarify diverse points of view, leading to better solutions. Communication and sharing skills. While education has always paid attention to basic communication skills such as correct speaking, precise reading and writing, digital tools, and the demands of our times call for a much broader and deeper personal repository of communication and sharing skills to encourage learning. Communication and sharing skills require students to be able to communicate clearly, effectively express their thinking and ideas using oral, written, and nonverbal communication skills in various contextual formats. Actively listening for ambiguous meaning, including values, knowledge, trends, and intentions. Using communication to achieve various goals, news, guidance, motivation, conviction. Using various media and techniques, they know how to judge their effectiveness from the start and assess their impact. Sharing with others. Demonstrate his ability to work effectively and respectfully with diverse groups. Exercising flexibility and complacency to cooperate in reaching the necessary compromises to achieve a common goal. Take responsibility for collaborative work and value the individual contributions of each team member. Innovation and creativity. The 21st century demands new services, better processes, and improved products for the global economy. It is no surprise that innovation and creativity are essential among 21st century skills. Innovation and creativity skills require students to be able to think creatively, using a wide range of ideas methods, creating new and valuable ideas, expand and refine their ideas, analyze and evaluate them to improve them and multiply their innovative efforts. Work creatively with others. Develop new ideas, implement them, and explain them to others effectively. Openness and responsiveness to new and diverse perspectives. Demonstrate originality and creativity in their work and understand the limits of the natural world. They are adopting new ideas, considering failure as an opportunity to learn. Implementation of innovations. Transform innovative ideas into tangible and valuable contributions to the field to be applied in innovation.